In this video, we're going to learn why a password expiration is being received even though SAML is enabled. Let's get started. Most users with SAML enabled, once they log in, they don't need to use their Control Hub credentials. If the Control Hub credentials are expired, the following scene may be seen. So let's log in. Once you logged in, you will be greeted with this screen. This organization has SAML enabled. As you see, it's asking for a Control Hub password. Since the Control Hub credentials for the backdoor SAML login, in the event that user's SAML login is not working, it's asking to control the password. If you do not happen to remember your passwords, we recommend reaching out to your Control Hub administrator to reset the password for you. This method does not require you to know your old password. In summary, we've learned why a password expiration is being received.